Hey yo, it's Sasko. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to export your Unity packages to FBX, to GLB for use in other places for free using Blender. So here we will start with the Unity Hub on version 3.7, and I made a project earlier on this version 22.3.19 F1. So it's one of like the long-term support versions, but to show how to recreate it, I just picked a 3D core. I named the project over here and saved all that stuff, so nothing too crazy here. To save you some time, I actually made the project already. This is the wrong one. Go away. Go away. Okay, so this is version 22.3 blah blah. So to import Unity package that you have acquired from perhaps a different project that you have made, you can go over here, custom package. Yeah. Get it on base. Okay, so I have all my stuff in Unity projects. I'll be using this project I totally made on my own. I will be using this completely ordinary object one. So it's I already imported it, so it's already here in the project down here. To get that prefab, you'll go over here and you will just drag it into the scene like so. Oh, oh my! This is the wrong object. So we'll upload a different object that is completely ordinary. And we'll go over here back to. I'm sorry, I'm so distracted. I'm so distracted. Goodness. Oh my. So go over here. Same place that I had it earlier. We will use this one. All right. Now you'll have that menu from earlier. So it'll have all the stuff. Just hit import. Give it a quick segundo. Cooking. Oh, I just realized my head moved again. What the heck? Water heck. Okay, there we go. Head is now put on my body once more. So now we'll have another prefaborino right over here. This one's called living room or something. All right, so we will get rid of you for now. Sawi, Asuna. So this is hilariously bright, but I think it's just the lighting that's making it look like this. But yeah, this is the scene I want to export into an FBX file. So luckily, this version of Unity has the FBX exporter already as part of the native download. So you'll go over to 3D. Let's see where we're gonna go. Set prefab. Mayhaps it's actually. Oh, all right. So I think I actually have to go over to Package Manager, which is in a different window. I think it's under. There we go. In case you don't have it natively installed, I'm dragging it from a different file. So you'll go over to Unity Registry. You will type in FBX. Should be the only boil that pops up. I'm gonna install it really quickly. Cooking. It's a piece of cake, pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. Oh, he's batching. He's making a batch. You know you can't be lazy. Never your recipe. The cake will end up crazy if you do the cooking by the book. Then we'll have a cake. All right, cool. So this looks like it's done. So now you'll right click on your prefab. You'll see a thing here for perfect export to FBX. So there'll be quite a bit of options here that you can select. Where is this going to be? Let me save it somewhere I can actually use. So I'm going to go over to my documents. I think I have like a thing for Blender. Nice. Cool. So exports. perfect. Okay, so this is it's still Forest House K4, so Forest House K4 test. So we'll save it. Oh, actually we don't need this. This is just the folder. So I think this is fine. Just kidding. Cool. So it'll save over here. It made its own folder. Amazing. Cool. So nothing to do here except you want to convert this from ASCII to binary mode. If you convert it to ASCII, it's gonna like have a heart attack, so you don't want that. And let's see what else you want. Yeah, you want this one called embed textures. So if you don't select this option, you'll export this object and it'll have no color and it'll be kind of crazy. So we'll go ahead and export that. Looks like it's done. So let's go ahead and try and open it inside of Blender. So this is a complete new Blender thing. Yeah, I just want to click the way. This is the default project. We'll click on File, click on Open, Import actually, and then it gave us an FBX. So let's import that FBX. So it's under Documents, Blender, Exports, Test. We are here. And look, we have this house, but oh no, something is wrong. It looks like the colors are not here. Nar. I'm trying to like remember how I think it's middle button. Yeah, it's like a whole tutorial on the middle button. So this is the house here. I believe if you just click on this button over here, if I can click on it, maybe this one. My blender's all messed up. Oh, good. It got worse. Okay, I fixed it. So, cool. Click on this part. Yep. So most of the things that you import will show up normally, which is good. Oh, this is like, I think it's like shift drag or something like that. Yeah, there we go. So everything here looks pretty good. Some of these textures are missing. So you can go ahead and try. Let's see if we can do it really quick. Cool. So you can go over to Material, Diffuse Color Texture, uh, Base Color. I'm trying to see if it'll let me just pick just like a random color. Let's do color attribute. Let's see what happens. Okay. Maybe RGB. There we go. So I believe you can just click over here. And now they're all green. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Yeah, so you'll find out that a little bit, but you'll have that same hierarchy of objects that you had from earlier in the same place. So that is fantastic. The ceiling light has its own thing. That's hilarious. Cool. So once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and hit export, and we'll export it to GLB. So we will go back to that folder that I had earlier just because that's where I keep all my Blender stuff. So this is the exports. Cool. And there's no title for this, so we'll call it FHK4 cache.glb. Cool. So now you have a usable GLB. Fan-heckin-tastic. So now we can go over and I realize my head's blocking the way on the screen. I should have looked up. That's fine. Cool. So now we'll head over to a different application. Let's say you want to use Wonderland. It's a super cool engine for making virtual experiences in your web browser. So we'll call this FBX test. Sure. We'll pick the VR mode. It'll come with some 3D assets. And check this out. Look how fast this loads. That's crazy. Unity could never, bro. So we're going to go ahead and delete. We'll just keep it for now. Why not? So you will want to get that file that you made from earlier. Let's go ahead and drag it over here. Blender, exports, Wonderland. Cool. So we'll have our selection of things to pick from here. So I will just add this under the models. There's already a bunch of GLBs here, so you can see how the other ones will show up. And now finally, we'll put this back. You can simply just drag it into the scene. It'll take some time to compress all the textures, but yeah, you are officially cooking. This is the house with all its spooky, scary uh, ambient walls. You can probably just go ahead and also just, if you want to, add the textures here instead. Though I recommend that you add it actually inside of Blender so you can reuse it across multiple projects, not just this one. So we'll just pick, we'll pick pink for, yeah, easy, easy, easy. But if you're a little bit fast want to do this, you can do it over here as well. So we'll go ahead and see what this looks like. So this will open up the VR thing inside of your favorite web browser of choice. So let me go ahead and grab that for you. So let's see. Here we go. Here is la scene. This is me in the scene, and just out of for funsies, you can hit VR mode. And if you happen to have the immersive web emulator, you can also hit inspect, which is that extension is like free to download from the Chrome store. Doesn't only works on Chromium browsers. Go over here to WebXR. You'll have this funky looking diagram that looks a lot like Unity. So I'm gonna fly ahead in the scene. I can also, hopefully I can just turn around. Let's see. Yeah, I can. Is there a rotate option? Let's find out. You can move around the room like this. I'm pretty sure there is. I'm just it's escaped me right now how to actually rotate yourself. But yeah, that's the quick and dirty on how to export assets from Unity to Blender and eventually to something else like Wonderland. So yeah, if you found this to be helpful, let me know. If there's anything you want me to improve for the next video or anything you're interested in learning how to do, I can probably take a look. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the flippity flip. Take care of yourselves. Bye now.